Tony here. I want to share with you one of my favorite shrubs for a half day of sun location. This is an improved Annabelle hydrangea, one of the smooth hydrangeas. It is the Incrediball. You can see it has a really, really large flower head. You can see compared to my hand, it is just huge. And this is a smaller size plant in a 3-gallon pot. If you can get all the sun in the morning and have shade in the afternoon, that would be perfect for it. They're only going to get about 4 feet tall or so and about the same width. So a really nice hedge of these is beautiful, or even a singular one as an accent in your landscape. Okay, one of my favorite shrubs for a shadier location. They do want at least 4 hours of some good sun, but make that sun in the morning, not in the afternoon. Absolutely beautiful flower head on this. You can see how huge that is. And that's coming from a small 3-gallon pot. It gets really full and just covered in these blooms in your landscape.